enjoy this beautiful view. Morning, everybody. Robert and Michelle here, More to Life Outdoors. Today we're going to do a little day hike with our friends. We're going to go up the Fishhook Creek Trail. Be about 4.5 miles, give or take, in and out. But we came with friends, as I said. We have Tracy, Lisa, Kimberly, Cat, and Kev. And of course, Kimberly and Tracy, Wanderers Chasing Horizons. Cat and Kev,
Where they wander.
Where they wander. Cat and Kev.
God is coming.
It should be fun.
Hopefully we don't get moored.
We're lost.
Yeah, they're worried about getting moored because we seem to have that reputation. But gonna get started here. But as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't miss any of our adventures. Guess we should mention, again, we're at Redfish Lake area. Busy place. Probably gonna be lots of people. We're at a trail junction. We're gonna be going Fishhook Creek Trail, so straight ahead. Well, we just kind of came through the trees, and this is the view we have.
Sorry, sorry. Little apples right there.
Yeah, they're trying to avoid the road apples. Here's another trail junction. This is where you cut off for Marshall Lake. Another view of Fishhook Creek. All the deadfall or blow down, however you want to refer to it, across the creek there. And of course, squirrel stepped off the trail to take a picture. She never does that.
Never. Never, never.
Careful, Lisa.
Too many roots.
Hey, Lisa. I even caught that on camera.
Awesome.
Nice little 360 view here for you. Fortunately, You can see where the Bench Lake fire was up on the hill there. That was last early summer, late spring, early summer, I guess.
Good thing is, so far most of the trail it feel like I would be carrying my pole instead of using it. I don't use it when it's steep, you know.
Yeah.
When you pass beyond this sign, you're entering an area where a human-caused wildfire is burning near or access to this trail. But that was last year.
Yep. It says right on there though, human caused.
Human-caused. The Bench Lake fires was human-caused. We all knew this because there was no storm systems in the area at the time the fire broke out last year.
Well, weeks before.
Yeah, weeks. For weeks before. Anyways, it's still under investigation. Maybe someday they'll let us know what happened. For sure.
Well, this was our destination for today. Coming up here, gonna have a little lunch or snack and enjoy this beautiful view. Again, you can see the burnt trees up there. That's from the Bench Lake fire of 2024. But beautiful view from here. Everybody smile.
We made it! Yay! I know.
Peace.
Peace.
So this is where we came up to. Literally right on the edge of the Sawtooth Wilderness. We're on our way back out. Don't know how much filming we're gonna do on the way back out because the trail has gotten extremely busy. We're just finishing up our little day hike from today, about 4.6 miles roughly. And nice little day hike. Just got out with friends, just doing a little exercise. But as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's free. And as always, remember, get outdoors and experience life.
Woo! Yay!
We'll see you on our next adventure.